Okay, locate the formatting dog assignment. We will go ahead and load the Word document. This time, we'll just go ahead and open it. Usually we show it in a folder and then move it to the biz. But what we can do right here is we need to save it correctly. So just go File, Save As, Browse. Now, it immediately took me to the downloads. Don't want to save it there. I want to save it into my biz folder. So you can look and see if it's there. Or go to your documents, locate the biz folder, and then we're going to put it in our last name, first name, and this assignment is called dog. And go ahead and capitalize. All right, so saving it as dog into my biz folder. Save. Looks like I already have one in there, so I'm just going to say replace. And here we go. All right, so we want to make this document look like the PDF document. PDF document's right here. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get the picture. So scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to copy the picture. Right-click copy. Then I'm going to come up to the top and put it right there where Solomon's name is. And I'm going to go Control-V to paste. Now it's being looked at as if it was a giant word or a letter, so we need to make it think it's a picture. So I found the best one to use is through. You can also have it in front of the text, but we want to make it through so that we get it over here and we can move it in and the text moves. All right, so from here, my next step is I want to find out what the bottom of this page is. So the bottom of the first page is Synology. So I'm going to Control-C to copy it. Come over here, Control-F, as in Frank, to find. And it's going to find this word for me. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to press Enter. And here is that word right here. Okay, so since that word is there, that indicates the bottom of the first page. So I'm going to go Insert, Pages, and go to Page Break. All right, so this is my page. Everything above here is on the first page. So as I continue to make everything look like this, there's a few things we need to do. All right. So read the article, include 3 bullet points. So I'm just going to go ahead and press Enter. And points of information. Okay, Enter. I'm going to change the font size. I think we're probably dealing in around a 16. Well, let me check for sure what we're dealing with. I'm going to come here, and on the first page, looks like Calbera. Page 1 has 18, 14, and 16. So I'm going to make this 18. Looks like it is. I'm going to change the font. And then I'm going to change everything else to 14. And then I'll mess with it later. Let's see, that's too big. 14. And then, okay. What else is going on this page? Page break, align, text wrap. Looks like I could have some margins. So I'm going to stick with this for now. All right, so let's go ahead and put Solomon's name in here. And we're going to insert a text box. So insert. And we are going to insert a text box, which is right here with this A. Okay. And we click on the plain one. And then I'm going to type Solomon's name. Okay. Solomon. I'm going to go here to home. And Solomon's name is in the center, so go to paragraph, align center. Okay. Let's see, let's go back to our Dalmatians. Okay, so it's bolded. It's larger. All right, so now let's deal with the color. Okay, so I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. Now I'll deal with the color. So I come up here to the drawing tools because this is highlighted. Drawing tools are gone. Click on the box. Drawing tools are back. Okay, so here is the shape and fill color. And you can make these any color. I'm not too worried about the color. Come here to shape outline. And let's see what the shape outline is. It's kind of bevelly. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here and choose the outline. And I thought it was white. So come in here like that. Now let's get some effects on it. This is when it gets the bevel. And you're just trying to match it as best you can. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Okay, maybe there's a shadow on it a little bit more. So go here to drawing tools. Effects. Now, you don't have to get it completely exact, but I do want to see you use some of the functions. I'll try an outline. Just to make it look as similar as possible. Okay, I'm going to click on this and move this over. Okay, so there's Solomon's name. Okay. So, looks like I have some problems here, so I'm going to right click on that. Alright, that's okay. Click on that. These are alright. It's just dealing with voice. You will need to read through the article and change these words so that they are bullet points about the article. Just some information. Alright, so let's go down and get the map. I've clicked it. I'm going to make sure that it is through. I can just right click and copy it and then come up to the page 1 and paste. Okay, so now that I have the picture, I can go ahead and change some of this font spacing. So I bet it's probably a 1.5. It's looking good. Click on the picture, drag it up. Dalmatian is in bold. Okay, so I'm going to shrink this up so I can see it. History is in bold. Looks like history is down a little bit more. Oops, it moved Solomon's name. Interesting. Well, we just put it back up. Scrunch in Solomon's name a little bit more. Okay. Looks like I have an enter and an indent. And this Vero is underlined, but it needs to be bold. And guard dog and companion. Guard dog and companion. No math. Alright, oops, we have another text box. So I'm going to move this guy up. I can change this by changing the sides. Well, that's looking pretty good. Alright, looks like this is justified. See how this is all lined up right here? So, I'm going to click on the whole paragraph. I'm going to come in here to justify. Boom. Now it's solid. Let's see if the first one's justified too. It looks like it is. You can see the sides are all lined up. That's where you get that spacing. Like that. Looks good. Solomon moved again. What a dog. Okay, we can move this back down. I'm liking it right there. Okay. What else? Guard. Alright, I can find guard. So, Control F, G-U-A-R-D. Okay, there it is. So, guard companion. Close that window. Guard dog companion is highlighted. Boom. Alright. It's not too bad. I might make this a little larger. Okay. Alright, time to insert another text box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this text box, Control C, and then just paste it at the bottom. And then put it right here. And then I can go through and find some information and change the formatting. However, you still need to know how to do a text box. Let's do it. Insert. Text box. Let's make this A. Insert a blank one. There we go. I'm going to grab it from the top. Bring it right down here. Delete the words. Create a text box with information for each picture. So I need to talk about this picture. So, Croatia. Here. Click Dalmatians. Okay, looks like it's in the center, so I come over here to home, center, to change the color. Now this kind of stuff is you know, you can work on this and just show me what you can do. Show me your skills. Okay, so come into drawings. We want it to make it look good. So I'm gonna have some effects on it. Make it this color. Okay, come down here and see if there's anything I want to do with it. Okay, I don't like that. Control Z. Alright, let's find out some more tools in the draws.